Welcome to Global Concierge Service Providers. Hey everyone. Are you a property owner or manager feeling overwhelmed with the endless tasks that come with maintaining your rental? Well, I've got some great news for you. Let me introduce you to the Global Concierge Program. So, what exactly is the Global Concierge Program? Imagine having a superhero for your property, taking care of literally everything. Yes, everything. From keeping an eye on your property with the latest mobile monitoring tech to handling all guest communications. All that for a simple flat fee starting at just €150 per month. And guess what? No sneaky extras or hidden fees? Let's dive into the details. First up, mobile monitoring. This isn't just any monitoring. We're talking entry alerts, detecting loud noises, and even fire or gas alerts. It's like having eyes on your property 24/7, no matter where you are in the world. Next, client relations. You know how time-consuming and sometimes frustrating handling guest communications can be, right? Well, not anymore. Our team handles all of that, ensuring your guests have a seamless and hassle-free experience. Now on to maintenance management. Forget about the stress of repairs and upkeep. Our professional team takes care of everything from routine checks to emergency fixes. And let's not forget about cleaning management. We ensure that your property is always spotless and guest-ready with our thorough cleaning services. But hold on, there's more. The Global Concierge Program also offers additional services to boost your property's appeal and profitability. We're talking about installing state-of-the-art remote security systems, integrating with all major hosting apps, offering marketing and promotion services, providing interior design consultations, and even helping with financial projections and profit analysis. And the best part? Our services are available anywhere on the planet. No matter if your property is nestled in a busy city or perched on a remote beach, we've got you covered. So why continue to stress over property management when the Global Concierge Program can handle everything for you? Contact us today to learn more and sign up for this game-changing service. With our flat fees starting at just €150 per month, you'll enjoy peace of mind and maximized profits without any hidden costs. Don't wait. Secure your spot in the Global Concierge Program now and revolutionize your rental experience. Trust me, it's a decision you won't regret. See you there.